The most common mistakes in training come from the fact that you like to do the same shit over and over. International Bench Day, Monday. You can't go into a fucking commercial gym and find a goddamn open bench press on any Monday because everybody likes fucking bench press and everybody fucking bench presses on Monday. Even worse than that, they're doing fucking 5 sets of 5. You cannot do the same fucking shit over and over on the same fucking day and expect you're gonna fucking make progress. You've got to take your program, you got to fucking mix it up. It's got to be drastically fucking different. The mistake that people make is they do this fucking stupid bulk and cut bullshit with their nutrition, which is drastically different. Every few fucking months, they're making these whopping fucking changes about their diet. And their training is the fucking same all the time. When you see people that know what the fuck they're doing, their training is fucking off the wall, drastically, extremely different all the fucking time. And their diets are dialed in, and they make little subtle changes, and they make huge fucking results. That's the way it fucking works. You've got this shit 100% fucking polar goddamn backwards. So stop with the fucking same shit in the gym over and over and over because you fucking like it. Training is supposed to be fucking difficult. The idea behind training is you create something that the body has to adapt to. Severe adaptation. Something that's so fucking difficult the body goes, motherfucker, he almost fucking killed me. So next time, I'm going to recover so fucking well that next time he does that to me, it's not going to fucking hurt so bad. It's not going to beat me up so bad. That's where the fucking gains come from. If you're doing fucking bench press every fucking Monday, 5 sets of 5, how fucking different is that? How much adapting, how much changing does the body have to go through to fucking get prepared for the same fucking thing next fucking Monday? It doesn't have to change one fucking bit. That's why you're not making any goddamn progress. So to summarize this whole fucking video, your training must be fucking drastically different every fucking day, every fucking week. If you like your program, do it fucking backwards. Change the fucking reps drastically. Instead of 5 sets of 5, do 5 sets of fucking 15. You'll be blown away with the fucking pump and the soreness you get. Then maybe the next week you do fucking 5 sets of 10. When you wrap this fucker back around to 5 sets of 5, you're going to actually have some fucking progress made. Motherfucker, look at that. Then, as a side note, with the fucking diet, stop this fucking stupid bulking and cutting bullshit. People that know what they're fucking doing stay in shape all the time. Nobody gets fucking fat anymore. That's for people that can't control their fucking sweet tooth, for Christ's sake. So take this information and go fucking kick some ass, reach some fucking goals, and get the shit you deserve because you're not so fucking narrow-minded and fucking stupid that you keep doing the same shit over and over and over. John Andersen bringing you a little more deep water.